Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert an Affinity Publisher document to PDF. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document, and you can see here some pages with some text and pictures. Now we want to make this document to a PDF. Go to the file menu, then click the export option. You can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl Alt Shift S. Now we can see here the preview to this page. Now we want to make this document to a PDF. Select the file format drop down menu, and we can see here many options. Now I select the PDF option, then click export, then select the file location from our file and write the name of file, then click save. Then go to our file location and check the file. Now we can see here the PDF file. Now we can see we convert to a Affinity Publisher document to a PDF very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.